Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cathay Pacific Updates channel. Here with me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. And today we will be talking about Cathay Pacific Airbus A330-300 that flew to Beijing this morning. So this aircraft is registered Brothers Hotel Lima Romeo, and she took her flight number 63820 with a great circle distance of 1,987 km. Actual flight of 2 hours and 45 minutes and a track of 219 degrees. She is special for being the monitoring for climate change jet, and she took off at 12:46 midnight and landed in Hong Kong and landed at 3:31 in the morning in Beijing. So let's proceed to the next plane. This aircraft returned from Xiamen in Hong Kong, and she's registered Brothers Kilo Quebec Lima. She took her flight number 63821, and she is actually Boeing 777-300ER. She took a great circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight of 1 hour and 4 minutes, and a track of 52 degrees, counts to 159 kN, and a track barometric altitude of 575 feet. This aircraft took off at Xiamen at 12:28 midnight and then landed at Hong Kong at 32 in the morning. So she's special for being the second aircraft to wear the Oneworld livery and most likely to get her new seats in her cabin. So let's proceed to the third aircraft. So this aircraft is registered as Hotel Lima Mike. She took her flight number 63941. Great circle distance for 1,987 kilometers. Actual flight in 2 hours and 54 minutes, counts to 7 kN and a track of 174 degrees. And she's special for being the first ever new livery Cathay Pacific A330 to be shipped to Cathay Dragon, and since Cathay Dragon ceased operations effective October 28, 2020 because of the pandemic, she returned back to Spirit Airline and thus reverted back to its Cathay Pacific livery. This aircraft took off at Beijing at 12:36 midnight and then landed at Hong Kong at 3:30 in the morning. So, for the details of these three aircraft I mentioned, kindly check the previous videos about this bird. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. By me, Roberto, my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys.